Let's do number 5 on our practice test. So this one shows us 4 different graphs showing distance traveled from home. So these are our time-distance relationships. It's asking which shows a vehicle driving away from home at a constant speed. So driving away and then constant speed. Those are our 2 big clues. Let's look at these first 2. So this one, we can see as time goes on, the distance is remaining the same. So time is going on, distance remains the same. So they're definitely not traveling at all. They're not moving at all. So that one definitely cannot be it. And then for this one, this is a little bit unlikely. So we're looking at one singular point in time. And at that point in time, it looks like this person is in a whole bunch of different places at once. So that is definitely not an option either. Now, let's look at these 2, 3, and 4. So you can see pretty clearly that each of these has a little bit different of a shape. It's not a horizontal line or a vertical line. It's somewhere in between for both of these. This one, their starting distance is right here. Their starting position, I should say. And then over time, that position moves and their distance gets further and further away from their starting point. So that looks like a good option for us because it is constant speed and they're traveling away from their starting point. Now let's look at graph 4, where their starting point is here. And again, as time goes on, their distance gets still further and further away from their starting point. Further and further away from their starting point. Closer and closer to this point, whatever that is, but further and further from their starting point, from home. So that's going to be our answers, graphs 3 and 4. Both show someone starting somewhere, starting at home, and then moving away from that place at a constant speed.